We'll guide you through how to use V0 by Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Vercel website. Make sure you're logged into your Vercel account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the New Project button, usually located on the upper right side of the page, and click on it. This action will take you to a page where you can import a project from a Git repository. You can choose from popular options like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Select the repository you want to deploy. If this is your first time, you might need to authorize Vercel to access your repositories. After selecting your repository, you'll be prompted to configure your project settings, such as the framework preset. Vercel automatically detects the framework you're using, but you can manually select it if needed. Once your settings are in place, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will start building your project, and you can see the deployment logs in real time. Once the deployment is complete, you'll receive a unique URL where your project is live. You can click this URL to view your project in action. If you want to manage your deployments, go back to the dashboard where you can see all your deployed projects. You can click on each one to view details, manage domains, and access other settings. Vercel offers an intuitive interface to manage multiple projects effortlessly. Remember to explore additional features like analytics and performance insights to optimize your site. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.